Hi, my name is Bao, BIS Hà Nội, class of 2023. BIS Hà Nội have helped me to develop a lot of skill sets that I think is necessary for my future, such as organization and leadership skills. Something that I didn't know or I didn't do before joining BIS Hà Nội is involving into the school curriculum more, like with my leadership opportunities and my opportunities to organize events such as the BIS MUN and the art exhibition. My favorite class experience is the prefects. I am the head of social awareness in a 2022 term, and I got the opportunity to work with a lot of teachers and students across all grades. Through my studies of history and art from year 10 until now, I got exposed to a lot of knowledge that refer to those problems that I want to help to create a solution to it. I'm supported by a lot of my friends and a lot of teachers here. In the future, I'm going to Pratt Institute in New York City to study architecture. I really like art, and I am interested in science, especially physics. So two of those subjects combined, then I think architecture is a very good fit for my interest.